Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low-range gearbox. To begin, understand that low-range gearing significantly increases your vehicle's torque, allowing for much slower, more controlled speeds. This is crucial for navigating challenging off-road conditions like steep inclines, deep mud, or rocky terrain. It essentially multiplies the engine's power at the wheels, providing superior traction and control when you need it most. Always engage it when stationary or moving very slowly. You should engage low range specifically for demanding off-road scenarios. Think about tackling steep hills, traversing deep sand, or pulling heavy loads at very low speeds where precise control is paramount. It's designed for maximum power delivery and slow, deliberate movement. Crucially, never engage low range on paved roads or at high speeds, as this can cause severe damage to your vehicle's drivetrain components and compromise safety. Engaging low range requires a few specific steps to ensure safety and prevent damage. First, bring your vehicle to a complete stop, or at least a very slow crawl, ideally under 3 miles per hour. Next, shift your automatic transmission into neutral or depress the clutch if you're driving a manual. Then, select 4L or low range on your transfer case selector, which might be a lever or an electronic button. Wait for the dashboard indicator light to confirm engagement before moving. Once engaged, drive slowly and smoothly, using minimal throttle input to maintain precise control over challenging terrain. On descents, utilize engine braking by selecting a low gear, avoiding excessive use of your foot brakes. To disengage low range, bring the vehicle to a stop again, shift into neutral, and then select 2H or 4H on your transfer case. Ensure the low-range indicator light is off before resuming normal driving speeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.